The outspoken politician Godwin Gomwe has publicly challenged President Emmerson Mnangagwa, questioning his role and commitment during the intense political battles that led to the ousting of former President R.J. Mugabe. Gomwe's remarks, delivered in an unfiltered and confrontational tone, have sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe's political landscape. Sadabina mashoko atona panapa kuti aiwa ngonzi Gomwe panapa oya achishoka vanhu achibuda tara mashoko neconfidence charikuya panapa achichallenge mtukamiro nyoro go subscribe or like on the bell kuti mina mapamburo ngwa mchinzi. Gomwe, a former ZANU-PF Harare Youth League chairman, did not hold back as he accused Mnangagwa, widely known by his moniker Garwe, of reaping the benefits of sacrifices made by others without having played any active role in struggle leading to the Second Republic. In his statement, Gomwe recalls how between 2015 and 2017, he and other youth leaders, along with war veterans such as Chris Muchangwa, Douglas Maia, Victor Matimadanda, and other former provincial youth chairpersons including Godfrey Zerengam, campaigned fiercely for Mnangagwa, risking their political and personal lives in the process. However, according to Gomwe, their loyalty came at a high cost. He reminds Mnangagwa that many of his early backers were arrested, expelled from the party, and persecuted for supporting him during the tense period before Mugabe's removal. He further points out that Mnangagwa himself was ultimately fired from both government and the party in 2017, largely because of the campaign efforts waged by these individuals. Gomwe further warns that war veterans and ZANU-PF members are beginning to express their frustrations just as they did before Mugabe was ousted. He suggests that if Mnangagwa continues to ignore the concerns of these who fought for his rise to power, the ruling party could face internal divisions similar to those that led to the 2017 coup. So far, there has been no official response from Mnangagwa or the ZANU-PF leadership, but political analysts suggest that Gomwe's challenge cannot be ignored. The coming weeks could reveal whether this is an isolated act of defiance or a start of larger rebellion within the party. Thomas Kwanamudani kwa panapa tunakuti Gomwe oya chataka mtukabiri wenyika ya Zimbabwe nam accusations amanzo achibuda achitora panapa amuri kuona panguva inoi vanhu vatomira vachida kunzwa kuti mubato reZANU-PF vachapindura mumashoko ake vachiti kudi just because mashoko ataura ari very attacking and ari direct. Tudze mafunguro enyu motuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.